In this video, I will show you how to connect your Facebook pixel to Shopify. So to do this, you want to open up your Shopify store and click Apps in the left. From here, click All Recommended Apps and go to the Shopify App Store. Now for me, the app I need is already here, which is Facebook and Instagram. If it isn't for you, just search for it and get the one with the 7,000 plus reviews. So it's called Facebook and Instagram. Now after you click on it, you will see one of its features is to help drive better ad performance by setting up a conversion pixel, which is exactly what we want to do. So now I'm going to click install. So then confirm by clicking on install again. So then you will have installed the Facebook and Instagram app and you can now actually start setting it up. So first just click accept all and then here click on connect account. Then you will need to sign into your Facebook account. So for me, it signs me in automatically, so just click continue. Then you need to allow Facebook to share business assets with Shopify and click allow. And then you have connected your account. Then after you do that, just click get started. Now here you can choose which business you want to connect. So for example, I'll just take this one right here. Now here you can choose your preferences in terms of the data sharing. So you can set conservative, enhanced or maximum. This is for the best possible results. This setting is continually updated with Facebook's latest advertising technology. This one uses established methods for strong ad performance. And this one is to get some basic data. Now I'm just going to use maximum. Then here you can view the details and click save in the bottom. So then here you can connect your pixel by clicking on connect right here. You can also create a new one if you want. And now if I agree to this and then click submit for review, then after it is reviewed and approved, I will then have connected my Meta or Facebook pixel to my Shopify store. So now for me it is active and I can now create an ad, and then now everything I do will be connected between Shopify and Facebook. Now if you already have ads, then they will also show up right here, and in your settings you can change any settings and you can see behavior will be tracked with this data set, and that is the pixel that I have right here. So I've now successfully connected my Facebook pixel to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.